Hello guys, this is Nilesh Kamble and in this video we are going to see how to clear computer cache in Windows 11 computer. So to clear computer cache in Windows 11 computer, you have to right click on the start and then click on the settings. Once you click on the settings, you will see find a settings search box. You have to type temp here and then click on delete temporary files. Once you click on that, it will start looking for and calculating temporary files, apps and features, all these folders. It will calculate and give us the result. Once you click on temporary files, you will see these are the temporary files which are stored on your computer without any reason. So I'll just click on the downloads as well if I don't want to use any of the files from the downloads folder. I'll click on it and then click on remove files. Once this is click, you will see a warning window and then you have to click on continue if you want to permanently delete the files. Click on continue and it will start deleting the files. You will see the progress bar here. Once this is cleaned up, you will see there are no files on this page and you will have some free space on your desk on your computer. This is one method. Another method is to go to run box, then type prefetch, hit enter. You will see a lot of files here in this folder, prefetch folder. You'll have to click on, or you will have to select all, then shift delete. Once you press shift delete key on your keyboard, you will see this window. You have to click on yes to delete all these files and folders. Then you have to go to run box again, type percentage temp percent. You will see temporary files here as well and then press shift plus delete key on your keyboard and then click on yes. Click on continue. Now these files and folders are used by one of the application and that's why it is not deleting. So I'll just click on this and do this for all current items. I'll try to delete it again and then we'll see if these are deleting or not. Then I'll select this again and I'll click on skip. I'll click on continue again. Let's see if those files are deleting or not. So you'll see that all the files and folders are deleted from temporary folder, prefetch folder, and there are again some of the files generated in the prefetch folder. I can select all and then shift delete it again. So these are the methods we can follow. We can also go to Google Chrome, then click on this icon here and then click on history. Click on history again. You will see clear browsing data. Click on this and you have to select time range as all time. If you don't want to save any of the passwords, you can just click on advanced. You can select passwords and other sign-in data as well to delete them and then select all time in advance as well and then click on clear data. So whatever data was saved because of Google Chrome will be deleted. If you want to delete the files and folders created by Microsoft Edge, if you browse Microsoft Edge, then you have to click on this icon again and then click on history. You will see this icon here and then click on clear browsing data. Again, you have to select all time here. I'll select all time, and then if you want to delete passwords, you can click on that autofill form data, site permissions. So basically you can select all and then click on clear now. If you select passwords, then you will have to log in again into your any of the websites. So we deleted temporary files, we deleted browsing history from Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge. Now you can just restart your computer, and that's all for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks and bye bye.